They say less is more, but we don't agree with that. We think more is better. That's why we have this crazy layer challenge. Wow, my nails look amazing. And I love the color. They're so pretty. Oh, someone's dropped money. Well, it's mine now. Huh? Look at my gorgeous nails. I feel so glamorous. Are you trying to be funny? Me? Never. Look what I have. Oops. I better pick it up. I don't want someone else getting it. Oh, my nails are making it tricky. Got it. Phew. Whatever. Stop being immature. I want a soda. I don't want to break a nail. That's why I'm using a knife. It makes it so much easier. That's pretty clever. I'll open your soda, too. Thanks, Julie. Gimme. Still got the straws on, huh? I'm looking forward to this. I'm sure you are. Oh, Lexi's calling me. Shh. I'm on a call. Oh my gosh, no way. That's so funny. I don't believe it. Bye-bye. I need to send a message. Are you feeling okay? Yes. Why? That's it. You asked for this. No! Anything but that! No! What do you have planned? It's time for a manicure. Look at all these fake nails. They're so colorful. You want me to put them on? Okay, here goes. This shouldn't be so hard. What do you think? Aw, it fell off. Can you help me, please? Okay, fine. It's okay. I've got this. This is trickier than I thought. That's better. Let's try this again. I'll start by applying some clear nail polish. This should help it stick. Don't move. Now we can put on the nails. Wow, they look so good. Come on, add more layers. Take it easy. We need more nail polish. Okay, that's 50 layers. Thanks! Huh? I can't move my hand. It's too heavy. Well, let me help. Ugh. Keep going. Phew, what a relief. Time for the other hand. These really suit you, Leo. Wow, you're great at this. Finished at last. You look fabulous. I feel fabulous. Ugh, it's so heavy. At least I won't need to work out later. Come on! What do you think, Leo? Whoa! So, that just happened. Is that balloons? It is! Wow, what a day! Wait. I have a better idea. I have this bag of ORBEEZ. Oh, and I can use this water bottle. I'll pour the ORBEEZ into the bottle. Steady. I don't want to make a mess. Wow, it's so relaxing. That should do it. Okay, now for the next part. I'll put the balloon over the bottle. I need to make sure it's secure. Then I can flip it over. The balloon is filling up with the water and beads. Okay, that's enough. Wow, look at it. It's hypnotic. I better tie a knot in the balloon. I'll put it in this bucket while I blow up the rest. Phew. Blowing up balloons is tiring. Cover your ears! Whoa, that was loud. Shh. Let's prank Julie. A nice bowl of fruit. This is just what I need. Hey, Julie. Hold this. Okay. Try and pop the balloon. Go for it. Nice! This is kind of fun. Come on, more! You've got it! This is too easy. No! Ha! Gotcha! Why would you do that? This gives me an idea. It's challenge time! Oh, come on. Please don't. I'm gonna enjoy this. And I need these ORBEEZ. Whoa. This is gonna be good. You won't need this. Hey, I like that t-shirt. Get in the tub. You're so bossy. Okay, I'm ready. Look at all these ORBEEZ. This is gonna be good. Can we hurry this up? Shh, I'm enjoying this. Don't pressure me. Let's do this! Brace yourself, Leo! Just dump them in! Ah, they're cold! Stop complaining! We've got a lot more to go. I'm starting to regret this! How does it feel? Weird. But kind of relaxing. Is that it? It's so squishy! I like it. It's better than a regular bath. All that's missing is a rubber duck. It's fun. I'd have an ORBEEZ bath again. Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna squeeze them. Check this out. Whoa! So that's what's inside them. It's like a stress ball. Oh, I know. I'll go for a swim. Gotta get that cardio exercise. Where's my snorkel? Julie! Help! Uh-oh. This isn't good. No! Ah! Are you okay? Me? Never better. I just need to finish my makeup and I'll be ready. Sure. I'm kinda busy over here anyway. Time for some fun. Target acquired. Steady. Fire! Ow! Oh no! Run away! Leo? Where did he go? I know he's around here. I'm a master of disguise. Did that lamp just talk? Nah. Oh well, I guess I better fix this. I knew that would work. Take that! And that! Leo! Are you kidding me? Quit messing around! Looking good. That's it! See ya! You can't run forever. That was hungry work. I need a snack. And this is perfect. Hello, Leo. I've been waiting for you. It was just a prank. Honest! Wait. The watermelon? Oh. That'll be fun. I'll place the watermelon right here. It does look delicious. So, what do we do now? You're gonna need these. Ah, gotcha! Ooh, stretchy. Here goes. That's a good start. I'm so nervous. How's it looking? I don't know if I can do it. I got this. Don't worry. Have fun! This is my time to shine. So far so good. I wonder how many rubber bands it'll take to pop. I suppose I'll find out soon enough. Whoa, that's a lot. I better put on these gloves. You can't be too careful. And I have delicate hands. Gotta keep going. Just think of the juicy watermelon I get to eat. It looks like it could go off at any moment. Safety first. I can't stop now. I must be getting close. I hope I don't run out of rubber bands. Something's happening! Mommy! I mean… cool! That was awesome! Whoa! Look at that! Oh, it's raining watermelon. That's yummy. I'll have some too. I think I deserve this. Ooh, my piggy bank. I wonder how much is in there. Leo, I'm trying to read. Oh, I have an idea. I could be rich. Take it nice and easy. Now's my chance. The perfect crime. Stop! Thief! You'll never catch me! Oh yeah? Ouch! What the… Julie! Nah, I'm just taking it easy today. Yeah, we can catch up later. Huh? Hold on, Julie's being weird. I'll call you back. Having fun? Now I've gotcha! Uh-oh. Can we talk about this? I mean, it was funny, right? It's payback time. Where did you get that? I'm gonna enjoy this. I've got my tape. That was a little dramatic. I'm okay. Let's start taping you up. Don't move. I want this to be perfect. Wow, you're really taking this seriously. Of course. I want to do it right. This is gonna be good. Like I'm worried. I'll bust my way out of this. I wouldn't be too sure about that. That tickles! You're enjoying this too much. I'm glad I bought a lot of tape. This is getting a little tight, Leo. Shh. I'll lose count. That's enough, Leo! Nope. That's it. 100 layers. There's one last thing to do. I'll remove this. We don't need this anymore. Great! Now cut me down. Oh, someone's calling me. A party? Great! I'm on my way! Leo? Come back! I need a pee! Leo! That was our 100-layer challenge. Pretty fun, huh? Which one would you like to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.